Good morning, students. United we stand, divided we fall. With this, I welcome you in Value Education class. Today, we will start Unit 3, that is Unity Strength. So, please take out your book and open page number 17. Unit 3, Unity is Strength. We are stronger when we hold each other's hand and march forward. Value covered are love, brotherhood, cooperations. Real life story for reflection. A troop of Boy Scouts hiking in the country found to their delight a stretch of unused and rusted railroad track. Each scout tried his skill in walking on the rails. Most of the boys balanced themselves precariously for a few moments, then fell off. Tried again and again, but two boys had no such difficulty. They stood on opposite rails and each extending his hands to the other. Holding their hands, they balanced themselves without faltering as they walked briskly along the track. Dear students, we noticed in the above story that the two boys succeeded in walking on the rails because they were holding each other's hand, or we can say that they were united. The moral of this story is unity has that strength which can make impossible things to happen. Unity is a mark of victory. In a family, unity is living together, sharing love and care with others, forgiving each other, being loyal to one another, and respecting and honoring the elders. There is much joy and peace when everyone lives in unity. Unity in a group or in an institution is working together in cooperations for a common cause or for a common goal. Everyone works together selflessly to achieve the goal and everyone enjoys the fruits of unity. Dear students, unity means staying together. It means helping and supporting each others in adverse circumstances. Staying united is the key to building strong relationship and a strong society. Unity is strength is the famous phrase represents the power or strength of unity. A feeling of having unity with others make a person so powerful and confident that no person or no situation can defeat or harm him. Unity is of great value in every walk of life. If there is unity among people, then their strength increases. On the other hand, their strength decreases if there is disunity or conflict among them. Mankind can live in peace and harmony only when its unity prevails. Man is a social animal and it is important for him to stay united with his fellow beings in order to lead a peaceful and fulfilling life. Unity gives us the strength to face difficult situations without becoming weaker mentally or physically. Staying united is good for our growth as well as the nation's development. Dear students, we are Indians and we know how diverse each culture in our state is. Still, we Indians are so strong because of our unity. We know that unity is strength and staying united is a pride. We are a great example for unity in diversity, and that is an honor in our nation. The same should continue in times to come. Dear students, we will have a prayer. Dear God, remove from us all that causes disunity in our families, in our school, and in our country. Help us to work for unity among ourselves. With this, I conclude. Thank you and have a nice day.